Hey students, today's lesson is on area of composite figures. So let's get right to it. Our first example, we need to find the area using grid paper. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark the squares that aren't full squares, that we kind of have some half squares here. So we've got one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So to find the area, we can count up how many full squares we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 45 full squares. So that's an area of 45 square units. Plus, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares that are only half of a square unit. So we have 1/2 times 5. Now we'll go ahead and simplify this. 45 plus 2.5. And we have 47.5 square units. Okay, let's look at our next example. Here we're going to find the area of this whole portion, the brown and the blue portion of this basketball court. So it looks like we basically have a full rectangle and a semicircle. So let's go ahead and we want to find the area of this whole thing. So let's start with the rectangle. That would be 12 times 19 plus 1/2 times pi times the radius squared, so times 6 squared. So that's going to be the area of my entire composite figure. So I'll go ahead and simplify this. 12 times 19 is 228 plus 1/2 times 3.14 times 36. I'll need my calculator to simplify this part. Area equals 228 plus 56.52. And we'll combine those portions to get 284.52. And my units are square feet. All right, we've got one more example. Here we're going to find the area of this composite figure that's made up of a triangle, a rectangle, and a parallelogram. Okay, so we want to put it all together here. So we know that a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. So that's 1/2 times 11.2 times 4.5. Plus, our rectangle will be 8 times 4.5. Plus, our parallelogram is the base times the perpendicular height, so that's 8 times 6.7. 8 times 6.7. Barely fit it in there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and simplify each of these. So the triangle, 1/2 times 11.2 times 4.5, that's 25.2 square centimeters. That's just for the triangle. Plus the rectangle, 8 times 4.5 is 36 square centimeters. Plus the parallelogram, 8 times 6.7 is 53.6 square centimeters. Now we just need to add our three parts together, and we get the area equals 114.8 square centimeters. All right, that's it for now. Try a few on your own. I'll see you soon.